It's a new day. It's new blessings. We give all praise to the Most High, man. Let's get it. Today's date is April 21st, 2026. And today we made $633 trading off the NASDAQ futures. But before we get into the trade recap of the day, we do got to do verse of the day. And we are in the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 33. And it goes like this. Be on guard, be alert. You do not know when that time will come. When that time will come, and the second coming of the Most High is coming. But nevertheless, let's get started on the trade recap. So yesterday I did not take a trade due to us not having any red folder news today. But as we look at today at Forest Factory, we did have 8:30 red folder news as well as 10 a.m. red folder news, which came into play later as I'm about to show y'all. So going into today, I was actually very bearish, to be surprised, because I took it long. But the reason I was bearish due to was I wanted to see price come down and rebalance this 1 hour position swing point, as I can see right here, or this daily fair value gap that needs to be mitigated. Because as y'all can see from last week, bro, we're basically at all-time highs, basically, yeah. We're at all-time highs. Price swept all these. I'm telling you, bro, people coming up to me saying that the market's going to crash. The market will never crash. Guys, I promise y'all. And going back to this, from the years that the stock market's been open, it's rarely crashed. If I'm not mistaken, the last one was like long. It was a minute ago. But the market will never crash because I'm gonna get real deep into it. Like, if y'all want me to make a video discussing why the market will never crash, to give you a very short summary, it's basically because there's a lot of people in America, especially the higher ups, a lot of people with wealthy money have money into the stock market. So if the market goes crash, they're gonna lose a lot of money before us. Like, so they will never allow the market to crash. Now, will we have dips and go down a lot? Yes, as I can see from last January, bro. We were dipping the whole Q1 of the year. Now we're starting to rebalance. So nevertheless, so I wanted either price to either tap into this daily fair value gap or 1 hour position swing point. Take up all the makeup real quick. So as I can see right here, Q1 of the week, which was yesterday, price was accumulating. So I want to see price manipulate, trending lower before we continue going higher. Then going into the market today, again, we really had a continuation, manipulation, distribution. It's AMD. It's A. So I want to see price manipulate, but as y'all can see right here, at 7:30 we did have a monthly cycle bearish sequential SMT, which caused price to dip. But we caught that reversal. Why? Well, you can see that 15-minute precision swing point, and we tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap. We made a daily cycle with Q1 and Q2 below all true opens, which again, don't stick so firm to your bias, because as y'all can see, my bias was y'all already saw my head process. I want to see price go lower before going higher. So I wanted to see price either go into this 1 hour position swing point, but we got our model form inside of a high time frame PD array, 15-minute fair value gap. We got our daily cycle inside of that. We're also inside of a new week opening gap below our true opens. This is the A+ setup. So we got our TCISD. I did take this with 5 minis, 5 micros, as y'all can see right here, just to have a proper risk management. And originally, I wanted to target my $1,000, but I closed the trade early, and I'm gonna show you right here all the executions. Cause thing about this channel, I want to be authentic with y'all. So as y'all can see right here, I answered buy right here. Then I closed it early. Why? Well, as y'all can see in the red economic calendar, we had 10 a.m. red folder news. And so something about me is I don't want to create bad habits. Even though, yes, this was a very good trade. We got an ATM model, which is the CSISD. So I'll move my break even to right there after we close over there. But I don't want to form bad habits, bro. Yes, this was a good trade, but I don't want to hold it during red folder news because that will equal to me gambling. I see a lot of people on like social media and stuff. There's a trend where they will hold their trade at red folder CPI on a Thursday or Tuesday when CPI news comes in, and they'll hold it. Well, yeah, you could pass an account quick, but you're forming bad habits. And over the long period of time in your trading career, those bad habits are gonna form over time, bro. And that's gonna just progress you from making actual money. Yeah, even though I'm not making real money yet, I wanna form good habits. So all my good habits, win or loss, they compound over time. It's gonna make me the trader that I need to be in the future. But nevertheless, I just closed it before Red Forward News was about to come in. Yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. And yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. Nothing more to say. Took my entry up to TCISD below all true opens. A plus trade. Um, I think maybe something I could work on is just I think while I was in the trade, I was just playing with my head a lot because I'm not gonna lie, be real with y'all. As I can see right here, I was about to blow my account. But I stood disciplined, executed when Price showed me the right context with the right execution strategy, which is my model. Took it. Now I have a little breathing room with this account. So that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. And let me know in the comments type if y'all took a win today, y'all took a loss. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll catch y'all later, man. Y'all continue to be proper stewards of the time the Lord has given y'all. Peace.